the most popular production line of freeze-dried coffee powder in China. Automatic capsule arrangement system. Capsule loading. Capsule detection. Powder filling. Auger filler driven by servo. Clean, fast to protect the original state of powder. During lids loading. Film existence detection. Finished capsule discharging, ready for capping. Discharging detection. Vibration solder for caps in case. Loading and positioning cap on the top of capsule. Stamping. Completely finished capsules collection. Certification.